My big tip here, if you want to save money and eat really well in Iceland, have your big special restaurant meal at lunch. Even the nicest restaurants in Iceland have amazing lunch specials. They have a fish of the day, usually for $25, $30. Now that sounds like a lot for lunch, but again, your alternative is a $15 hot dog. It's not that tough to spend $25 on a plate of food like this. Have your big meal at lunch, and then you can do something a little more basic for dinner. You can go to get some groceries and have a picnic. You can order a pizza, that sort of thing, which would be more in the $20 range if you wanted to order a pizza. So that's my favorite budget tip for eating affordably in Iceland. Also, especially again at lunchtime, you look for soup and bread buffets. This is a custom all over Iceland in the city, also throughout the countryside. Bakeries and cafes will have an all-you-can-eat soup buffet with all the bread you can eat and all the water you can drink and all the coffee you can drink, usually for $15 or $20, which again sounds like a lot for lunch, but you can fill up, you can have 6 bowls of soup, and then you can graze on vegetables for dinner if you want. Again, this is a good budget tip. Look for the unlimited soup and bread buffet at lunchtime.